Are you tired of monthly software subscriptions draining your budget, yet feel stuck paying for essential tools? Many believe top-tier productivity and creative software comes with a hefty price tag, locking out independent creators and small businesses from powerful capabilities. But what if I told you that 8 revolutionary AI tools could replace some of your most expensive subscriptions entirely, delivering professional results without costing you a single dollar? In a world where every powerful software seems to demand a recurring payment, it can feel impossible to keep up. From professional writing assistants to complex design suites and even video editing platforms, the costs add up fast. But the landscape is changing, and AI is democratizing access to professional-grade capabilities, often for free. Today, we are diving deep into 8 incredible AI tools that not only punch above their weight, but can genuinely replace some of your most expensive software subscriptions, giving you an edge without breaking the bank. Get ready to supercharge your workflow and reclaim your budget. Let's start with the most versatile of them all. First up, the undisputed champion of generative text, *ChatGPT *, or its equally powerful free counterpart, *Google Gemini's free tier *. These AI models are not just chatbots. They are sophisticated language processors capable of replacing entire teams for certain tasks. Think about the monthly fees for dedicated copywriting services, content strategy consultants, or even premium research platforms. A single prompt to ChatGPT or Gemini can draft blog posts, generate social media captions, summarize lengthy reports, brainstorm business ideas, or even help you write code snippets. For instance, instead of paying a content writer $100 for 5 unique article headlines, you can ask ChatGPT to generate 50 in seconds. Need a complex email drafted? It handles professional tone and structure instantly. The trick to maximizing these tools in their free tiers is specificity. The more detailed your prompt, the better the output, transforming a simple AI into your personal, always-on assistant. They effectively replace expensive subscriptions like Jasper, Copy.ai, or even early-stage market research tools by giving you immediate, actionable text. Next, for anyone creating visual content, there is Canva's free tiering to Supercharged with its built-in AI capabilities like Magic Write and text-to-image. Historically, graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator came with steep learning curves and even steeper subscription fees. Canva has always been about accessibility, but its AI additions are game changers. With Magic Write, you can generate text for your designs, like compelling headlines for social media posts or bullet points for presentations, directly within the design interface. The text-to-image feature lets you create unique graphics from simple descriptions, effectively eliminating the need for expensive stock photo subscriptions or commissioning custom illustrations for basic needs. Imagine you are designing an event poster. Instead of searching for hours or paying for an image, you can type a whimsical illustration of a jazz band playing under a starry sky and get several unique options. Canva's free tier, enhanced by AI, can easily replace basic design projects that might otherwise require a Photoshop license or a budget for stock imagery. Moving into the world of video, CapCut has emerged as a powerhouse, especially for short-form content, and its AI features make it an incredible alternative to more complex paid video editing suites. Professional video editors like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve demand significant investment and expertise. CapCut, available on desktop and mobile, offers AI-powered features like auto-captioning, which saves hours of manual transcription, background removal for quick green screen effects without a green screen, and even AI-generated voiceovers. Think about it. A small business owner needing a quick promotional video no longer needs to pay for a transcription service, a graphic designer to remove backgrounds, or even a voice actor for a simple script. CapCut's AI features streamline the entire process, allowing you to produce polished, professional-looking videos with impressive efficiency, all without spending a dime. It's a true revelation for content creators on a budget. Now for those who deal with images daily, remove.bg* is a specialized AI tool that performs one task exceptionally well, removing backgrounds from images. This might seem niche, but consider the time and effort traditionally spent in Photoshop or other image editors meticulously selecting and deleting backgrounds. For e-commerce businesses, marketers, or anyone needing clean product shots or professional headshots, this process can be incredibly tedious and costly if outsourced. Remove.bg does it in seconds with remarkable accuracy, using AI to distinguish between the foreground subject and the background. While the free tier might have size or credit limitations, for most routine tasks, it completely eliminates the need for manual background removal in paid software. A single high-quality image background removal in Photoshop can take 5 to 10 minutes, even for an experienced user. Remove.bg does it in under 5 seconds, completely free for standard uses. For anyone looking to elevate their writing beyond just content generation, Quillbot's free tier AST offers an impressive suite of AI-powered writing assistants. While premium grammar checkers like Grammarly Premium come with monthly fees, Quillbot's free version provides powerful paraphrasing, summarization, and basic grammar checking capabilities. Imagine you have written a paragraph that sounds a bit clunky or too formal. Instead of manually rephrasing it multiple times, Quillbot can instantly suggest several alternative phrasings, helping you achieve clarity, conciseness, or a different tone. Its summarizer can quickly distill long articles into key bullet points, saving you research time. For students, writers, or professionals who need to refine their text without paying for an extensive editorial suite, Quillbot is an invaluable free AI alternative. It effectively replaces the need for premium rephrasing tools and gives you a significant boost in writing efficiency. Presentations can be a huge time sink, but *Gamma's free tiers harnesses AI to transform text into stunning visual presentations almost instantly. Historically, creating engaging slides in PowerPoint or Google Slides was a manual, time-consuming process involving layout, design, and content integration. Gamma changes this by allowing you to simply type in your topic or paste your notes, and its AI generates an entire presentation, complete with design, structure, and often relevant imagery. This isn't just about speed, it's about intelligent design suggestions that you might otherwise pay a graphic designer for. While premium features offer more customization, the free tier is perfect for quickly prototyping ideas, creating drafts, or generating impressive slides when you are short on time and budget. It essentially gives you a head start that would typically cost you hours or even a freelancer's fee. For the audio creators and music enthusiasts, Audio Strip Art or the free tier of *Llall all day IISI can replace specialized, expensive audio editing software for very specific yet common tasks. Have you ever needed to isolate vocals from a song, remove an instrument track, or create a karaoke version? Traditional digital audio workstations like Logic Pro or Ableton Live can do this, but they are complex and costly. These AI tools use advanced algorithms to separate audio into different stems, vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments, with remarkable precision. This means you can extract a cappella tracks for remixes, remove vocals for instrumental versions, or even practice an instrument by isolating its track. While the free tiers often have limitations on file length or number of processes, for many independent musicians, podcasters, or content creators, it provides a professional audio solution without any financial outlay, saving you from expensive software or outsourced audio engineering. And finally, perhaps the most visually stunning money saver on our list. Bing Image Creator, powered by DALL-E 3, freely accessible through Microsoft Copilot. If you have ever paid for stock photos or commissioned concept art, you know how quickly those costs add up. Tools like Midjourney offer incredible results, but often come with a subscription after a trial. Bing Image Creator gives you the power of one of the world's most advanced text-to-image AI models, DALL-E 3, completely free. You can generate incredibly detailed, high-quality images from simple text prompts. Need a unique hero image for your website, concept art for a project, or a quirky illustration for a social media post? Just describe it, and DALL-E 3 will bring it to life. This tool dramatically reduces your reliance on expensive stock photo sites like Shutterstock or Getty Images, and provides a virtually limitless source of unique, copyright-free imagery for your projects. This is a game changer for visual content creators. Now, a quick word of caution and a few tips to maximize your free AI journey. While these tools are powerful, they are not magic wands. Understand their limitations, especially in free tiers. Some may have daily usage caps, watermarks, or slightly reduced quality compared to their premium versions. Always double-check facts generated by large language models and review any AI-generated content for originality and tone. Common mistakes include vague prompts, expecting perfection on the first try, or failing to iterate. The key is to refine your prompts. Combine tools for complex tasks. For example, generating text in ChatGPT, designing in Canva, and then polishing in Quillbot, and always maintain a critical eye on the output. Learn to use these as co-pilots, not replacements for human judgment. These 8 free AI tools represent a monumental shift in how we access and create professional-grade content. They shatter the barrier of entry for entrepreneurs, creators, and small businesses, allowing you to achieve results that once demanded expensive software licenses or outsourced services. By integrating even a few of these into your daily routine, you can reclaim significant portions of your budget, boost your productivity, and unlock creative possibilities you might never have imagined. So go ahead, experiment, and transform your workflow. The future of productivity is free and powered by AI. If you found this guide to free AI tools helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the world of artificial intelligence and cutting-edge tech. Stay curious. This is AI Unpacked.